Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more reviews and tips. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This is my personal experience using Fitbod. Fitbod, an honest review. Before you start using this app, watch this. Fitbod is a strength training app designed to create personalized workout plans. These plans are based on your specific fitness goals, current fitness level, and the equipment you have available. The app's most impressive feature is its adaptive algorithm. This algorithm tracks your workout progress and adjusts your future workouts to maximize your results. Whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned lifter, Fitbod tailors routines to match your current abilities and your gym setup. This makes it a great choice for a wide range of users. A key feature of Fitbod is its extensive exercise variety. It offers a diverse library of exercises targeting different muscle groups. This variety keeps your workout routines engaging and helps prevent plateaus. The app meticulously tracks your sets, representatives, and weights, and provides clear video demonstrations to ensure you maintain correct form. Additionally, you can seamlessly integrate Fitbod with Apple Health and other fitness trackers for comprehensive data syncing. So, who is Fitbod ideal for? It's perfect for anyone who prefers a data-driven, no-nonsense approach to strength training. Whether you're a gym regular or prefer working out at home with limited equipment, the app adapts to your environment. It's also a fantastic option if you're seeking progress-based programming without the expense of a personal trainer. Fitbod's in-depth analytics provide valuable insights into your workout history and motivate you to improve efficiently. However, if your focus is primarily on bodyweight training or high-intensity interval training, HIIT, Fitbod may not offer the same level of variety in those specific categories. Regarding the user experience, the interface is intuitive and tracking your progress is straightforward. However, some users have mentioned that the app can feel somewhat rigid, particularly if you prefer more flexibility in swapping exercises during a workout. The subscription cost is reasonable considering the features and value provided, but it's worth considering if you prefer free alternatives. Overall, Fitbod is a strong contender for anyone serious about strength training and aiming for efficient progress over time. Before committing, make sure you understand your fitness goals and preferred workout style, as this app is primarily focused on strength training rather than cardio or mixed modalities.